Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite Engineer Wang to explain you guys how to properly install the speed wheel. First of all, the height of the speed wheel is about 20 to 30 millimeters higher than the horizontal surface of the chain height. Not too high, because too high will cause wrong action. When the EPS block leaves the speed wheel will pop up really fast. Fast pop-up will have a momentary stall. When the speed wheel is set about 20 to 30 millimeters above the chain level, there might be a slight overspeed stall when it's pop up, and it will stop after about 2 seconds after measurement, which this is within our allowed range because we set the speed wheel alarm with a time delay of 5 seconds up to 8 seconds. And at the same time, the location of the speed wheel needs to be slightly adjusted. We suggest to install as close as possible to the location of the cutting wire. There is an internal relationship between the position of the speed wheel and the start cutting sensor and cutting sensor and the speed of the speed wheel. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.